Hello students, welcome to biology class. As we are discussing the chapter principle of inheritance and variation, and in our previous classes where we discuss about genetic disorders are two types. One is Mendelian disorder, another one is chromosomal disorder. Mendelian disorder we have already studied the diseases like hemophilia, color blindness, sickle cell anemia, phenylketonuria, like this. And now we are studying the next disease, that is the chromosomal disorders. So here we are completed Mendelian disorders, the changes, the mutation at the gene level, that is the Mendelian disorder which follow the Mendelian's flow chart, right? Now the next is chromosomal disorder. So what happened here means, now let's look at the definition of the chromosomal disorder. They are caused due to, means chromosomal disorder happen due to absence or presence. Excess means ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ. ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮಲ್ ಡಿಸಾರ್ಡರ್ ಯಾಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosome that may cause to the chromosomal disorder. Understood? What do you mean chromosomal disorder? The chromosomal disorder because of absence, excess, abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosome in an organism which may appear as a disorder. Such disorder is called chromosomal disorder. Is it clear? Now the chromosomal disorder is two type. One is aneuploidy, another one is polyploidy. Now aneuploidy means the gain or loss of chromosome. See, aneuploidy I am telling, the gain or loss of chromosome due to failure of segregation of chromatid during cell division. Here what happened during the cell division, especially the chromatid part of the chromosome, segment of the chromosomes, chromatid, it may be lost or gain, maybe less or maybe more, any one of the chromatin of the chromosome. Such type of imbalance of the chromosome is known as aneuploidy. Clear? Now polyploidy, it is the increase in a whole set of chromosome due to failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage of a cell division. Now we have studied in our first PUC cell division, mitosis, meiosis. In cell division, chromosomal dividation is the main activity. So during the cell division, suppose one cell is break down into two cell and the distribution of chromosome is dissimilar, means the chromosomes are two dividation, chromosomes are two set in a single cell, and it has to be completely divided two separate set of chromosome. But in polyploidy, both set in a same cell, another cell is absence of chromosomes, means two cell are going to divide, one cell getting double chromosome, another cell has only half, absence of chromosomes. Such division, such distribution, imbalanced distribution of chromosome is known as polyploidy. So what do you mean difference between aneuploidy and polyploidy means, here entire set is present or absent. Here one chromatin of the chromosome number, one number of chromatin may be add or loss, here entire set will be add or loss. That is the meaning of polyploidy and aneuploidy, right? So this is the chromosomal disorder. Here we have certain example, certain disorders because of the chromosomal imbalance distribution. Example for chromosomal disorder, you have to write it down as it is in your notes. So one of the disorder Down syndrome, there are total 3 disorders: Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Turner syndrome. You have to write, you have to study all those three. Those three can be, anyone can be asked in the examination for 3 marks. Now, the disorder is Down syndrome. Okay. See, it is the presence of an additional copy of chromosome number 21. Students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 46 number of the chromosomes, you know it, right? In each number of chromosome, two chromosome already is there, 2 chromosomes. So here in 21 number of chromosome, one additional copy of chromosome is added and it is known as trisomy of 21. Okay. Now look at what is the genetic constitution of this Down syndrome, this statement. See, 45 is here. Actually what should be here means 44A. Okay, 44 autosomes plus allosomes XX, 44, 45, 46. Okay, for female, or male can also 44 autosome plus X and Y become 44, 45, 46. That is the normal genetic constitution, but it is abnormal one. What happened here? I am writing here the normal one, please don't be confused. I am writing the normal genetic constitution for your people. Normal, it is a normal. How it is? Look at 44A plus XX, this is female na, is equal to 44, 45, 46. This is normal female. Okay. Now for male, 44A, A means body chromosomes, autosomes, right? Plus for male it should be X and Y. So look at 44, 45, 46 is equal to 46 for normal male. This is the normal constitution what I have written here. But look at the above. Instead of 44, here is 45A. Is it clear? So 45 and the allosome sex chromosome is normal. 45, 46, 47. So abnormal female. Down syndrome you may find in male as well as in female. डाउन सिंड्रोम ऐसा बीमारी है जो मेल और फीमेल दोनों में हो सकता है. ठीक है, देखो इधर 45A प्लस एक्स एंड एक्स 45X 46 and 47, 46 and 47 for female, or it maybe it happen like this: 45 autosomes plus X and Y, it is a male. 45, 46, 47 is equal to 47. So it is abnormal male. It is abnormal female, abnormal male. This is because of what? Additional copy of chromosome number at what? 21. So it is written, what he has written? Trisomy. Why it is trisomy? In 21 already two chromosomes is there, pair chromosome is there, one additional is added, hence it is known as trisomy. So this is the genetic constitution of Down syndrome. In examination you had to write Down syndrome, this is the definition up from here to this, and this is the most important, you have to write the genetic constitution. This is the genetic equation. This is just normal, don't write it in the exam. Normal equation I am written here. Okay. Now suppose the person birth with this type of genetic constitution, what are the features? See, look at, this is the features. They are short, stuttered with small rounded head, broad flat face, furrow big tongue and partially mouth open, retarded physical and mental development. This is the totally abnormal features of a Down syndrome person. Okay. So in examination Down syndrome will be important for 3 marks. Suppose the question will be there now, so you have to write this definition, genetic constitution, and this 3 3 4 features. Okay, this is what one of the chromosomal disorder, Down syndrome. Okay, right. So in my next is the last class of the genetics. In last class there are still two disorders of chromosomal. After finishing that, the entire chapter will be completed. Okay, so that will be continue in my next class. So today you have to write on this complete entire page, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Thank you.